My name is Stefan with Alpha Sky Roofing. I'm here at Miss Howell's property to do a repair attempt on this shingle right here. It's October 30th. It's 64 degrees outside. Travelers originally agreed to pay for the back half of this roof. So I just wanted to show the repairability aspect of this shingle. The reason I'm bringing that up is because this is a hip roof. And so due to code and pre-existing conditions, we have to overlap all hips and ridges a minimum of 4 inches. As you see here, I've tape measured out over these with underlayment, and it's already a pre-existing condition where the underlayment is overwrapping the hip at least to here. So in order for us to replace this entire back slope, we have to be able to tear in at least 4 inches. Again, I can't see how far it's already been overlapped, but at a minimum at least 4 inches into these other slopes on these sides. And so in order for us to do that correctly, we have to make sure the roof is repairable. Started off by numbering the shingles that are going to be directly affected by replacing this individual shingle, due to I have to unseal it, unseal the ones around it, and there's usually nailed in 2 rows above the shingle. Again, we have a control area here just to show no granulars go missing when I wipe it. As you can see, this one's been creased here. There's a crease going along the top. But again, the surrounding areas currently, when I wipe them, there's no granular loss at this time. Try to be as gentle as possible. These nails are pulling straight through the shingle, making it extremely hard to get them out. Old shingle. Make sure I got all the nails out. As you see, these shingles just tear when I try to lift them up in order to get my nails in. As you see, like, I have to get in there at least like that. The shingle's just falling apart. Should be one more right here. Try to be as gentle as I can. And again, as I showed you guys to begin with, here's the control area. I'll wipe it, no granulars fall down. Come over here, you can start to see creasing coming in on these shingles just to nail them. As you see how the shingle just is tearing apart, and that's not due to being too rough. That's just due to me having to lift it up and hold it there so that way I can drive these nails in flush, make sure these shingles don't go anywhere. So now I'm gonna have to replace these two shingles here. As you see, this roof's not in a repairable condition. It just causes damages. So as you see how these shingles tear here, whenever I'm replacing this one, whenever we go tear off this entire slope, as you can imagine, it's going to happen all the way down. On this side, and it's going to happen all the way down on that side, all the way up. Due to this, we're requesting replacements of the adjacent slopes. Please let us know how you'd like to proceed. Thank you.